Fact 1. A chameleon can look in all directions at the same time. Fact 2. The name Singapore translates to Land of Lions, yet interestingly, lions have never actually lived there. Fact 3. If you're sneezing repeatedly, try pressing your tongue against the bottom of your teeth. It can help reduce sneezing. Fact 4. In 1672, driven by extreme anger and unrest, Dutch citizens killed and ate their own prime minister. Fact 5. According to a survey, girls tend to lie more often than boys. Please subscribe for more interesting facts.